Hi again. Welcome to your ELD3 class. Today, we're going to talk about organize a formal summary. But before you start, please make sure that you watched what formal summary is and its elements. If yes, let's get started. Again, a formal summary is a type of informative writing. It provides us an objective overview of the topic and important details from the informational text. The writer credits the author but writes primarily in their own words without including personal opinion. Today, we're going to organize a formal summary. The first question is, why do we need to organize a formal summary? If you organize your formal summary, it means you connect the ideas. And in connecting ideas, we always use transitional words or transitional phrases. What are the examples of transitional words or phrases to connect ideas? The word first, also, in addition, furthermore, and finally. Of course, you cannot use the word finally in your first idea. For your first idea, you have to use the word first. If it is your second idea, you can use the word also. If a third idea, you can use in addition or furthermore. And if it is your last idea, concluding or closing idea, you have to use finally. Example, first, Troll explains researchers need animals because non animal alternatives aren't as effective. That is the first idea. That's why we have to use the word first. Second idea is the author also predicts that animal research will lead to the discovery of many cures. Finally, it means the ending or the concluding. Finally, Troll concludes that we must continue animal research until more alternatives are validated. That is how we use transitional words. Transitional words, again, are important to connect ideas. This time, I would like you to get your book and open it on page 49. Again, open your book on page 449. On your book, we have this example. We have to review the transitions that the writer used to add information and connect ideas. Then complete each sentence below with an appropriate transition. The first sentence is Alliger points out that rats are sweeter than other rodents. What transitional word should we use? Should we use finally, also, or first? Hmm. The correct answer is first. This time, I want you to answer numbers 2 to 3. If you are done, raise your hand so that your teacher, Miss Montales, will come and check your work. Good job for listening, and I hope you'll do well. Thank you for listening.